Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, hope you all are well. I am Muhammad Altaf Rahman. Welcome to my online class. Today I will discuss one of the important topic, the causes, symptoms, remedy and prevention of the disease of the respiratory system. About the discussion, disease of respiratory system. We have already learned from the previous lecture that the main respiratory organ of human is lung. If the lung can be damaged by the infection of bacteria and viruses, then various complexities are seen, and severe infection may cause complex respiratory disease. Today I will discuss about the following disease such as asthma, bronchitis, tuberculosis and lung cancer. Asthma. Asthma is a condition in which the airways narrow and swell and produce extra mucus. These can make breathing difficult and trigger coughing, wheezing and shortness of breath. Causes. The causes of asthma is not clear, but it is probably due to a combination of environmental and genetic factors. Signs and symptoms. Signs and symptoms include shortness of breath, chest pain, breathing complexities, trouble in sleeping, whistling or wheezing sound when exhaling. Fatigue, etc. Remedy of asthma: to take medication as prescribed by a physician, pay attention to increasing quick relief inhaler use. Prevention. Asthma is an ongoing condition that needs regular monitoring and treatment. Taking control of treatment can make feel more in control of life in general. Asthma can be prevented by monitoring breathing, identify and treat attacks early, get vaccinated for influenza and pneumonia, identify and avoid asthma triggers or allergens. Next disease, bronchitis. Bronchitis is an inflammation of the lung, of the lining of a bronchial tube of the lung, which carry air to and from the lungs. Bronchitis are two types. One is acute bronchitis and another is chronic bronchitis. Acute bronchitis is more common, but the chronic bronchitis is very serious. Causes. Acute bronchitis is usually caused by viruses. The most common cause of chronic bronchitis is cigarette smoking, air pollution, and dust or toxic gases in the environment or workplace also can contribute to the condition. Symptoms, sign and symptoms. Sign and symptoms of both acute and chronic bronchitis include breathing problems such as chest congestion, wheezing sound when breathing, a cough that may bring up mucus that's clear, white, yellow or green, body aches, low fever, stuffy nose and sore throat. Remedies. Getting plenty of rest, drinking enough fluid, quitting smoking, treating body pains, following a healthful diet, soothing a sore throat, taking nutrition and dietary supplements. Prevention of bronchitis include the following tips: avoiding or quit smoking, avoiding lung irritants. Irritants means smoke, dust, fumes, vapors or air pollution. Wearing a mask to cover the nose and mouth when pollution levels are high in the surroundings. Washing the hands often to limit exposure to germs and bacteria. And get vaccinated to protect from pneumonia and the flu's attack. Next, pneumonia. Pneumonia is a common lung disease which is caused by the excessive cold. It is a dangerous disease for both of the children and the elderly people. Causes: pneumonia is mainly caused by a pathogenic bacteria named pneumococcus. Symptoms: high fever and chest pain, respiratory distress, coughing, deposition of mucus-like substances which produce cough, breathing distress, etc. Remedy of pneumonia includes serving to hot and liquid nutritious diet, taking plenty of water, and the seeking timely advice from a physician and follow the treatment which are given. Prevention. The preventive measures include live in a well ventilated house, avoid or quit of smoking, keep the patient in tolerable temperature and dry environment, and to be careful that the children and the elders are not attacked with cold. Next, tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is a well-known airborne infectious disease. Most of us think tuberculosis is only a lung disease, but this idea is not correct. Tuberculosis occurs at any organ of our body, such as bone, intestine, etc. Causes of tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is mainly caused by a pathogenic bacteria named Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Diagnosis. This disease can be diagnosed by skin test, sputum test, cytopathology test, histopathology test, or chest X-ray. Symptoms. Signs and symptoms includes weight loss, weakness of the body, chest pain, coughing, sometimes with blood, indigestion, abdominal problems, and body weakness, etc. Remedy includes treatment of the treatment of the disease is a lengthy process and should continue until the complete cure. And the treatment is continued with by the advice of physician strictly. Patients with tuberculosis should be isolated or sent to hospitals for complete cure. Patients' cough or sputum should be buried in the soil. Proper treatment should be taken. Adequate nutritious food should also taken. Keep the used belongings of the patient separately. Prevention. To get rid of this disease, all children should be vaccinated by BCG. BCG vaccination gives the children protection against deadly tuberculosis. Last one, lung cancer. Lung cancer is one of the most serious disease of the lung, and in our country it is the leading cause of death of the male patients because of smoking, and smoking is considered is one of the main reason of lung cancer. Causes: smoking is the main cause. Lung cancer also may also caused by the air or environmental pollution. Tuberculosis or any other pneumonia may lead to lung cancer. Symptoms. Signs and symptoms include long-lasting dry irritating cough, chest pain, repeatedly infected by pneumonia and bronchitis, and feeling pain in the bones, body weakness, etc. Diagnosis. At the primary stage, lung cancer can be diagnosed by X-ray of chest, examining cough and sputum, CT scan, MRI. For final confirmation, cytopathology or histopathology tests are done. Remedy. Should be consulted with the doctors without any delay. And when the lung cancer is diagnosed, treatment should be taken as per the advice of the physician, and if needed, the patients can take or apply the radiotherapy, which can destroy the cancer cell by radiation. Prevention. Prevention includes the avoiding of smoking or quitting of smoking, and avoiding of drinking alcohol, regular exercise, and taking healthy food in regular diet, not taking excess fatty food. No more today. In the next class, I'll start new chapter 8, and I'll discuss about the excretory system, where includes excretion and the structure of kidney. Thank you all for watching this video.